The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Morning, fellas. Guys, very good morning. Happy Monday. Today is Monday, November 20th, in a short week. For those of you guys that may be unaware, we will be here just through Wednesday. Thursday, of course, being Thanksgiving, and Friday, I won't be in. Going to be low volume, and I have no interest in trading low volume garbage. In any event, today is Monday, November 20th. If you folks are here on trial, good morning and welcome. There has not been a bot trade yet today. Looks like another slow, ugly, at this point, kind of day. We'll go over charts in a bit. But again, if you folks are on trial, good morning and welcome. So today I will be trading the crude bot, which has not taken a trade. It would need to take a short at this point. I will be trading the NASDAQ Unirenco, which has not taken a trade. I turned it on at 7 as I do. And once the market opens, I'll be trading the 30 range. In any event, guys, very good morning. Hope you all had a good weekend. If you're a fan of Florida State, as Dean would say, too bad, too sad. They're out of the top 4. Washington is in. In any event, guys, we'll see what we can come up with today, tomorrow, and Wednesday. We do have big earnings tomorrow. We have NVIDIA. God help us if they're a miss or they give terrible guidance. I'll show you some charts and we'll see what I'll show you guys charts after I read the disclaimer. NASDAQ is kind of a mess. U.S. government required disclaimer. Futures and options trading has large potential rewards, but also large potential risk. You must be aware of the risks and be willing to accept them in order to invest in the futures and options markets. Do not trade with money you cannot afford to lose. This website is neither a solicitation nor an offer to buy or sell futures or options. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those discussed on the website. Past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. CFTC Rule 4.41, hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Since trades have not been executed, results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs in general are subject to the fact that they're designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. This presentation is for educational purposes only. The opinions expressed in this presentation are mine and mine alone. All trades presented should be considered hypothetical and should not be expected to be replicated in a live trading account. Last but not least, past performance is not indicative of future results. The fact that I may or may not be in a trade does not lend more or less credence to any trade. Please trade according to your own accounts. Please trade according to your tolerance for risk. I don't like that unfinished auction up there. Come on, a little more push. Come on.
Stop filled.
2 more ticks. Got it. No more sequential decline. We had a sequential decline. They sold some here at 94.50. I don't know what 3 minute support at 94.25. 3 minute. If you guys want to take some risk off, take some risk off. That 94.50 breaks, we'll get that target. Come on, seriously, one tick. One seller on the bottom.
Target
There it
filled.
is. Two sellers. Target one filled. Take your risk off. If this bounces at all, take it off. Because we could get a no, not yet. Oh, hit target. Offered. Didn't bid.
Target filled.
There it is. Target filled. Okay. Now we've got a nice unfinished auction to trade back up to.
Order filled.
ES shorted on the bot. All right, we just hit that high volume node at 87. Missed it. You still have a long here if you want at 94, give or take to 98. I'll take it with two.
Where does those scheduled data for 8:30
Order
September?
filled.
92.75. Unfinished auctions at 98.75. See if we can get a pop up there. Get that auction out. My stop is going to be 81. It's 10 handles, fellas. Well, let's see some buyers. Go get that candle. Go get this out of here. I'll add two at 83 if it comes down there. My stop won't change. So it's full risk on two. Be two handles on two. Held that high volume node again. This needs to come up through 94, call it. If we get through 94, we probably go. Almost got to 94. Watching that delta. Some sellers are trying. Watch your delta. Where it's negative 60 in the candle, 58, 59, 61. 50. Come on, dog. Give me 94.
Order submitted.
Typical pre-market. Slower than slow. There we go, through 94. Come on. Got to 96. Now we got to get through 96. We're not going far in 4 buyers, 5 sellers. If it pops at 96, we'll get our target. They should get that unfinished auction out of the way. My final target's at the unfinished auction. I'm going to kill this trade here, fellas. I'm pretty close. I'm on the close. It's got to get this target. Come on. 4 ticks. Come on. Jeez. There it is. Oh, come on. Come on. Top.
Target
There's
filled.
target 1.
Order canceled.
And here comes the unfinished auction. 3 ticks to that auction. Come on, dog. No way it leaves it. 2 ticks. All right.
Order filled.
I'm flat and take the $400 in pre-market and happy with that. You guys good? It's got to come through this 43 seller at 08. If we get 08 half, we'll get that target pretty quickly. There's quarter offer. There's half 3/4. Come on, half 3/4.
France announcing weekly bill auction results. 43-day bills drawing 3.650%. France.
Pushing a little bit of resistance here with 2 dink sellers, a 2 and a 5. Ridiculous. Can't get over that half. 5 sellers there. There are no buyers here, though. There we go. They just got rid of that dipshit seller here. Come on. They're hit 10. Didn't clear the auction. Good. Or else we close the trade.
Target filled.
There's target. And think trade, guys. I was a little late on it. Not much, 1 or 2 points, but we'll try to get 14 up here. Let's try to get 14 as a target. And then we'll take our breakfast break. Should give us half a grand or so in pre-market. Pushing a pivot on the 1 minute. 12 is resistance on the 1 minute. Got to come through 12. Maybe, 12 on a 1 minute. Watch Delta. Come on. Got a sequential decline, 22.19, 10.6. They're not buying them at 12/4. 22.19, 10. Okay, so the decline is gone. 5 minute resistance, 13/4. I'm good with this.
Order filled.
I'm good. It's good for me. I don't care about it. It's $10 more. Everybody good, guys? $600 in pre-market? We'll take it. That's usually not a good sign. Cash session could be blah. Anybody else? All right, we're off, fellas. wants to drop below 89. We're pulling VWAP higher up. Buyers in here for the moment. Got a 102 seller here. He sold some more, 115.
Order filled.
30 range just went long on the bot.
Target filled.
There's target 1 on the 30 range.
Target filled.
Both targets hit. Okay. Not what I expected, but okay. Mm, 39.40 target now. I gotta adjust target. We're at Friday's high. Look at this breakout. Let it go. Here is the, so here's the 240. We're into resistance here. Or we could be breaking out of this bull flag. Which one of these holds? If we get close at 10 o'clock above this trend line, we probably invalidate this bear flag. No sellers as of yet. Put in a higher high. There's that 40, 41 on the 10-minute. We also hit 49 on the hourly. We should fail a bit here at Friday's high, but I don't see any sellers. Next long, unfortunately, is day high. Not one I'm taking. I need a pullback. ES is pulling back a bit. All right, so we pulled back to yesterday's high. We added about 1,400 buyers, 1,500 buyers. Crude came down. Qs are long to 388.05. NASDAQ's going higher, fellas. Qs are long.
Singapore, the Germany considering easing debt restrictions after a recent court ruling.
If we push above 76, we're going 95, 96. You see this on the hourlies, man. Hourlies are blowing up. Hourly target, guys, is 16,000. If I could get a pullback on a 1 minute, it'd be nice. It's been straight up. 50 was the day high was the last entry. $388.05 on the Qs is going to hit 6 cents away. That was a quick move. If Qs can break out above that, the next target up is 388.67. We're above everything. I've got to go back and find resistance.
Target filled.
Target filled on what? Oh, ES. ES got target 1 on the long, on the bot. I'm not even paying attention to it on Mondays. I'll give you guys a total at the end. This is what's got to go here. We're going to, if we get above 85, let's call it, we got a shot at 16,030. I need a 1 minute pullback. I can't even get that yet. Q's hit 388.07, 2 cents higher. Yeah, Monday is definitely not an ES bot day. It's more an anomaly when it's green. Here comes the breakout. God, I can't even get a pullback out of 1 minute, guys. 4,300 buyers, 4,400 buyers now. The breakout is about 84, and she gone. 16,000 to 16,030. We can hate days like this. Here is the ES bot trying to get to second target. Had a failed short. We got the winner on the long. Qs are cooling off. All right. Two minute has initial support at 70. And then below that support is about 40. Okay, getting a pullback. Let's see where we might come. We could pull back to 36. to 40, which was Friday's high.
In 20 minutes, we'll get the October leading index expected minus 0.7%.
Yeah, there's no pullback yet. 10 minutes of running hard. Few sellers showing up, but five-minute support is 59. I think 1 minute pulls back here, fellas. Jeez, that's no pullback. I can't do anything with it. I'm not doing anything with that. Not to the long side. I'd like to see Qs pull back to 387.28. We had the second standard deviation and pulled back a bit. No bot trades other than the ES, which is pushing toward target number 2. I would try the short probably below this 58.75 with 2.
Order
All
filled.
right, I'm going to short this, guys,
Order filled.
right at 58.75. This doesn't break down quickly. We could stop 55. This could be a small dink. I'll not let this go above 71. There's support 55.50. I'm going to probably take this off.
Order filled.
I did with a small loss. We stopped right at the 68. This may yet short, but better short coming up here at 69.70. And there it goes. Now it's breaking down.
Target filled.
30 range got target 1.
Stop filled.
Out up 350. Support between 33 and 43. Below 28 we sell. We've gone from 4,500 give or take on the net positive to 3,100. They've sold back quite a few. 925 here, 245 there. Got a 108 seller here. They sold a few more. 120 now at 61. $134 and a 114. There are sellers up here. I think we're long to probably 94. You can probably take the long at 71.
Order filled.
Got another long on the 30 range. It's right there. We're setting up for a pullback.
Target filled.
There's target 1 on the 30 range. It's on the screen.
Target filled.
There's target 2. So bot's up 605.
Fees to cost savings is not expecting to return to forward guidance on monetary policy.
Here comes the breakout. If you took the 71, you have target 1. Still got to get above that 83, 80, maybe 84. Nice job, David. Above 84, and this thing goes hooey. Here's your long here, right here, 81.
Order submitted.
I mean, that's the extent of a 1 minute pullback. 71 was a long if you didn't take it. Here it is at 81.
Order filled.
Fees to cost savings.
Hit my target, didn't.
Target
There it
filled.
is, filled.
Interest rate cuts.
And target is going to be about 94 in the final. Let's go 98. Got a seller. 62 contracts were sold here at 87 quarter. That was just that was the 1 minute pullback.
Target filled.
ES got target 2. $94 is a pivot. They sold them again here. They're selling 87 quarter. But God, look at the buyers. I'm trying to get to 98 because I don't think we get this close to 16,000 without tagging it. I actually have a target if you guys want to put it out there at 16,030. Over 16,000, I think this thing just continues to rip. 97, 98 is 2 standard deviations, so we're going to be stretched. Got to get over that pivot at 94. We're setting up for a pullback. All right, I'm flat.
Order filled.
Flat. See if we can get a decent little pullback here, fellas. 71 is going to be first area pullback. In the event we do break down below 93, I mean 71, we can come back to 42. They sold 200 here. I'm going to try a short if we get a move up again. Sit tight. 81 is the short.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Come on. It's right there. Come on. There it goes. Come on. Come on. Break 84. We could come 67 as a target.
Order submitted.
We could come all the way down to 946. Here it comes. Come on, hit him with a sell program.
Order filled.
All right, the 30 range is short. It's on the screen. Come on, get below that 80. Come on.
Understand saying they plan to shut more border stations as migration continues from Russia.
82 held, 82.50.
Order filled.
Now the bot went long. I still like the shorts, fellas. My short hasn't changed.
Order
I
filled.
canceled it for now. Come on, 30 range. Get that target. Missed it by a damn tick.
Target filled.
Got it.
Target
Got
filled.
target 2. Six, 16,019 is target now.
Order filled.
16,000.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Watch a break below 80. I still think that that's going to be where it shorts.
Order filled.
Yeah, 80. Come on, break down. Got a 179 with 115 there.
Order submitted.
Pending 80 again. Guys, I think this is going to sell. We're way overbought. ES is almost to that target.
Finnish Prime Minister saying
There it is. There's the short. Come on. Got target 1. Told you, 80. This could come all the way back to 46. 67 is next target. There we go. That's what I'm talking about right there, fellas.
Order filled.
Opening consultation on public disclosure, crypto asset exposure.
67 is target. Next target. And then 43.
Target filled.
So we bounced 67, but that should break. And now we're going to work down to 43.
Order filled.
Look at the seller here. 46 is going to be target. We're going to come back down to yesterday's low. Now I'm looking for a 1-minute retracement. We got the sellers. They just blasted them. Big seller here. Big block seller here. Getting a pullback here. They're not ready to give up the ghost yet. We could go back to 84. This is all a resistance zone now. This whole zone. Final target is 46. If we drop below 66, that should do it and take us down to 46. Could try to push back to 84, 85. You guys good on that last trade? Okay. God, that took 20 minutes to resolve.
Order filled.
Some buyers here. This wants to go back to 86. 84 to 86. 135 buyers back in. It's got to fall below that swing low. Just sitting here. Right at 1 standard deviation, just parked. Come on, breakdown.
Order filled.
It's working through this seller imbalance area, but it looks like it wants to pop back up to 85. Sellers back in. I mean, I can give you a 5 minute short, but the stop is crazy big. Come on, give me another. I mean, somebody wanted out 200 contracts. Somebody wanted out. Somebody wanted gone. Hourlies, we probably come back to that 49 on the hourlies, 50. I think we're going to get 56. That's my opinion. I mean, 46. Come on, give me a big number. There's a 106 again. 111. Give me another 250. All right, guys, your short is 68, 67. Stop is 79. No bot trades. I mean, we're overbought as holy get out on the dailies. It's coming. 10 minutes should come to 47. Pretty good 10-minute support at 63. That's going to have to break. Here comes 67. My stop is 79, guys. So it's a big stop. So trade it accordingly. There it is. $63 is pretty good support. It's going to have to break 63. There it goes. Come on. Oh, 2 ticks. All right, get that other one out of there. And we're going to target 48. 48 for 1. Yeah, I think we're foobarred. Holding 1, trying to get to 48. Ten handles more, guys. Honestly, if we break below 49, 48, we could come 903. Oh man, we're almost to target, fellas. I saw it. I see it. I see it. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. I hit my target. There we go. Gooder than good, fellas. You guys good? That is a blow up. We're coming down to 903. We may get a small bounce in here. Okay, so we came back to this volume point of control. Anybody hold the target? I mean, that was a woohoo. That was a woohoo. Okay, guys. My opinion is they're going to sell all these back. I think the up move is done. We came down to yesterday's high, and we've bounced off yesterday's high. How about a test of VWAP? Buyers are getting scarce here. There's a 54, 55. We could go back to 67 to 69. I mean, we got a lot of support down in here, so we're going to have a hard time breaking this. I definitely think we're going to get a VWAP test, though. This could push back to, yeah, we came into our hourly support. All right, guys. We can try along at 62. We got resistance at 64 and 69. All right, I'll try it with 2. 62 long.
Order submitted. Order failed.
All right, I'm long 2 at 62. So I guess it slipped me 62 half. A little bit of resistance here, but if we can pop back up through 75, this could start the move right back up. So let's get target 2 just out of there. 30 range is trying to turn up. Oh, you dick. Lost it. If it comes back through 61, I think we're okay, but I'm going to kill this trade, I think, here, guys. I'm watching Delta 267. They're still selling them. Buying some back. I'm going to hold it here. Let me just see something here. 5 minute. Yeah, we failed the point of control. I'm out. I'm out. Okay. I'll be long on a 5 minute close above 67. 68.
In the open market, Reynolds NYC volume 1% below its 1-month average. Advance received ordering for 1.41. Nasdaq volume 4% above its 1-month average. Advances need declining by 1.5 to 1. VIX index trading lower by 0.5% at 1373.
Order filled. Order filled.
Six. This thing is still trying, guys. Come on, go long right here. There's a. This is where, if it goes, this is where it's going to go. $59, $58, $59. It's pushing that damn volume point of control. If it breaks up here, we can go back to 77. It's close. New 5-minute bar. Target would be back up at 01 if this thing gets above 66, 67.
Order filled. Target filled.
Failed the point of control again. It could work down to value area low at 08, but there's a whole lot of support in here. This is what we're holding. Ton of support in here. Maybe on the next 10-minute bar. We're down to 2,500. It's a tough short here, guys, because of the hourlies. I'll be 1 minute. I'm back. I mean, it's so choppy, we have no bot trades. All right, I think we're going up here. I'll be long above 66 and a quarter. I'll be long 66.75. Okay.
Order submitted.
This really could pop at 62 up to 70. $30 range, looking to take a long. It'll be on the screen. No.
Order failed.
Okay, 30 range is long. 73, I mean, here we go. 30 range bot is long. I moved that second. Come on. One tick from target. One lousy tick. Come on. Momentum to the downside is gone. Just have some small resistance through 65.5. This is trying to get it.
Target failed.
Got target on the bot.
Order failed.
Put me in long. This should get 71. And then go from there. Come on, dog. 75.50 is the next swing. Lower high.
Target failed.
Okay. Now get it out of there, and we're going to target 01. I'm at the high of the day. If we can keep pushing. Still like longs. Just have to get above this resistance here, about 72. Minute and 15 seconds, and we really want to close above 62 on the 5-minute bar. As long as we close above, I think we're good. So I'm still holding one. I took 3 off. Come on, don't fail. 40 seconds. If we close above 62, I think we're good for a push back up to 01 and potentially new highs. "20 seconds to the close of this 5-minute bar. 62 is key. Five seconds. All right, new 5-minute bar. We closed over 62. I think we're good to go. Here come buyers. My target is 17. My target on the 10-minute is actually 16,017. 62 could back test from above. I would add one at 62 if it does. All right, added one at 62. I mean, we are stupid overbought on the dailies. Got to get above the 72. And buyer here, small 63. I'll take one off at 60, 68. Take a couple of ticks on one if I can get it. 70 is resistance. We need 71, 72 to go. Guys, if you are in order flow class today, don't forget it's at 11:30. The link was sent last week. If you don't have it, email me. Come on, give me the freaking, there it is. Oh, all right, got out of one. Holding one. Break a 72 dozer. Break a 72 should do it. Maybe 73 quarter, a little bit of resistance, but 72 I think will do it and send this thing into hyperdrive. We need that lower high and that lower high. We have 3,200 buyers. I have no reason to be short. I'm back above the volume point of control. The only thing I have to trade to now is back up into the highs. Pushing some 1-minute resistance here. 1 minute, seriously. Let's just call it 72 for the sake of conversation. We need 72 to split. There we go. Come on, clear 72. Clear that next one up, and this sucker is Rip City. Trade them as you see fit, guys. Not a clean move, but we get that next swing up or lower high up. And I think we go ski. 10 sellers on a 3-minute bar. Nothing. Some sellers, 12. Bottom back up. Nothing. There's a 144 buyer here. 151. They just bought them at 70. We've got some 15-minute noise right here at 73.50. Yeah, you scumbag. Come on.
Order failed.
I'm flat. I'm flat. We don't trade the ES on Mondays. See you tomorrow, Magnus. Anybody have any questions, guys? We didn't clear an evaluation today, or at least I didn't. But I'll take the $2,000 and try to clear it tomorrow. It's the only evaluation I have. So did not make money. Again, bots are up 9.15. They're done for the day. Is there anybody that did not make money? It was a good day. We had one losing trade. All right, fellas.